Okay, this is a timeless favorite that never gets old. It does come in different sizes. I just got this one because my son just loves looking at these pictures as well and just randomly flipping through. And this is just such a great book for toddlers, for preschools. The arithmetic, the repetition, the bold colors, the illustrations and patterns just really keeps kids engaged and helps those young readers to learn to read. My son can easily follow along with this. He's 2.5 and will love to read this before bedtime or even anytime during the day. He'll sing it as he's doing his daily fun toy play, and it's just the perfect way to really encourage young readers to even learn to read based on the repetition. But again, it just keeps them really engaged. We bring this everywhere with us. It's just simple, it's sweet, it's classic for a reason. I do highly recommend this to all parents, and it's just easy for those little ones to read along and just really building their literacy skills. So highly recommend. It's engaging, it's educational, it's fun, and again, it is a must-have in your bookshelf.